How to create a sales funnel. As an entrepreneur, you understand marketing's importance. Without marketing, your business would eventually fail due to the absence of new customers. Therefore, if you haven't already put time and effort into this mission, now is the time to start, and one easy way to start is the utilization of a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? This strategy is so named due to the fact that in diagram form, this particular marketing strategy looks just like its name. The top category is the biggest one and represents the largest number of people, potential customers. The bottom category represents the smallest number, committed customers, which is why it's smaller. Now, here are the 5 steps to follow to construct your own simple online sales funnel. 1. Create a great landing page. Your website's landing page is the first impression potential customers will instantly have of your business. Therefore, take time to make sure that it looks great. A good landing page will also encourage visitors to sign up for some sort of list, or subscribe to the website. This gives you that all-important contact information, which becomes your first line of communication. 2. Present a front-end offer. The next step is to present potential customers with the opportunity to buy a product or procure your service. When constructing your main front-end products and associated upsell offers, you should be engineering them with the additional mindset of, how will this help create more desire for the next back-end offer you're going to present them with, explains. In other words, at this step you should be pre-selling on the next step in the funnel. 3. Give an upsell offer on the back end. Offer your customers who just bought or are about to buy a product or service the opportunity to upsize, or upgrade, that service. For example, create an offer that will deliver even more benefit to the customer if he or she upgrades. This strategy is called an upsell. Consider this the steak dinner to the regular offer's appetizer. You are offering your customers more substance if they choose to upgrade. Of course, that also means you make more money because an upsell typically involves a larger or more expensive item or service. 4. Offer a downsize option. In the same way that you encouraged customers to upgrade services in the upsell step, this element of the funnel calls for you to offer a downgrade option to certain customers. No, a downsize option doesn't represent a failure and should not be looked upon as the loss of a sale. Instead, consider this a way to keep a customer unable to buy from you due to budget constraints. Keep in mind that those constraints may change. Be considerate and offer cheaper options for these individuals to keep them as potential customers. 5. Keep it going. The last step in the sales funnel is to keep your momentum going. Follow up with all the new customers you have acquired and ensure they are happy with their product or service. A great way to accomplish this is to offer a membership-based rewards program. This will allow you to remain in contact with customers, giving you the perfect means for telling them about new deals and services. The steps listed here are geared to a business with an online presence. Of course, this might not describe your particular business. However, every business can benefit from the sales funnel model. Just remember, your potential customers category, which represents the greatest amount of people, goes on top of the funnel, and the smallest category, established customers, goes on the bottom. The categories in between may be altered to meet your specific business's needs and sales goals. If don't know how to design your sales funnel, don't worry, loyalwebsite.com helps you to design your sales funnel for free. All you need to do is just contact us via email at contact@loyalwebsite.com. We will help you to start design your sales funnel for free. Useful resources for beginner. These video may help you avoid some of the growing pains when it comes to your first blog. Enjoy. And that's it. I'm more than confident that your initial sales funnel setup should now be finished and ready to go, and all that should have been really damn easy, unlike my first time. Lucky you. If you are having any problems designing sales funnel on your website, please contact us. loyalwebsite.com helps you to set up your blog for free. If by some unfortunate circumstance you get stuck or have any questions for me about how to create a blog, just get in touch with me or contact me via email. I'll help you out with any problems. Go to loyalwebsite.com and claim your domain name for free. How to register a domain name for free. If you want to register a domain name to start create sales funnels or make a website, then this is the best option for you. Normally, a domain name costs $14.99 per year and website hosting plans start from $7.99 per month. This is a lot of money if you are just starting out. Luckily, LoyalWebsite.com has agreed to offer our users a free domain name (SSL) certificate and 60% discount on web hosting. Basically, you can pay $3.95 per month for web hosting, and you will get a domain name for free, so you can start your website without a lot of money. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, watch this video by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which sales funnel structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, LoyalWebsite.com will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.